When it comes to transforming a space, nothing makes a statement quite like the timeless beauty of stone. However, choosing stone is about more than just looks. It's about lifestyle, use, and how it complements your space.
There's no more single upgrade that would add opulence to a household than the introduction of stone. The Allied Gallery was started in Durant, Oklahoma, with a small fab shop there. Over 10 years, it started expanding into the Texas region with the next shop opening up in Dallas, and then also to expansions into Lubbock and Austin as well. Over the 25 years, we're seeing some major changes with now using robots and lasers, with everything from social media, advertising, and positioning ourselves in the markets to make sure that we do get the end product right and the customer is satisfied.
From the moment you walk into an Allied Gallery location, you're surrounded by inspiration. Their expertly curated galleries showcase a wide array of natural and engineered stone surfaces.
When in fact the job is completed and the customer sees the end project, the look that they have on their face, that's what we strive for, and that's what we want to make sure that we get at the end of every project. So I think that sets us apart. At Allied Gallery, the craftsmanship and the actual level of service and the product itself is certainly of a higher end. Our stone, it's like artwork, and you have to see it in person. That's where people will make the defining decision of what matches, what doesn't work, what kind of design element are they looking to position within their house or whatever their project is. And that's what the galleries are designed to do, is give you that great experience.
Once a slab is selected, Allied Gallery takes customization to the next level, using state-of-the-art technology to template, preview, and plan each project with precision.
Once sales has gone out and met with the client, our team goes out using lasers to measure the area that's going to get their vision of countertops so we can precisely install the end product. Our cutting and design process is very technical. We use state-of-the-art equipment to ensure a proper fit to the cabinets and to the space that the stone is going into. Once the stone has been selected, we take that slab, clean it, check it to make sure there's no imperfections, plan out all of the different shapes onto the stone to ensure that any seam, that veining, all of that flows as naturally as possible. Then it proceeds into the cutting stations where each piece is meticulously reviewed when it's cut for quality assurance till it's loaded up onto a cart to reach the customer's home for installation. The cutting and fabrication process to ensure precision is really a combination of a great team and great equipment. The fabrication process really depends on the complexity of the job. A typical fabrication process is 7 to 10 days. We use diamond blades, water jets, CNC machines, and robots to help move the stone through the process and ensure precision cuts. Every team member takes great pride to ensure that piece of stone, or the art as we like to refer it, meets that customer's expectations and, more importantly, their vision, and that they're happy with that product because it's going to last a lifetime. Day of the install, the customer has a lot of anticipation for when we show up. We prep them through the sales team of what to expect. We have a great team of installers that have 50 to 60 years worth of combined experience to ensure that no matter how complicated the job is, it's done professionally. Installing stone requires the homeowner, to have solid cabinets. When we get out there, if it's slightly out of level, we will do the right thing to make sure that stone sits perfectly, using state-of-the-art leveling and lasers if we need to make sure we have a seamless fit. Sometimes issues arise. I think that's where our installers, with the years of service, have dealt with numerous things that could go wrong. The goal is we try to be as professional as possible and ensure that that customer feels that we're going to take care of whatever issue may have happened.
At Allied Gallery, the customer experience is everything, and it shows in every conversation, every install, and every detail.
Looking back over the last 25 years, we at Allied appreciate the customers that we've had projects with and will continue to work with. Due to investments and technology changes and everything else that the company is putting forth, we certainly look forward to the next 25 years and look forward to more and more customers.
If you're ready to discover the Allied Gallery difference, visit their website, alliedgallery.com, or you can see this segment again on designingspaces.tv.